My daily life as a homemaker involves so many things to do at home that there is never a lack of variety. I prefer to repurpose the water used to wash rice and use it for plants. My everyday routine as a housewife includes cooking, organizing, cleaning, and even decorating. And I'll be showing you all of that today. A viewer of mine once suggested that I should use the water from pulses also this ways. So I've been following this trick lately. How often do you water your plants in winter? Mine these days need water in roughly every 8 days. I try not to overwater the plants for sure. Each time I use a special water like this, I pray that this doubles the foliage and makes the plants happy too.
The first time I met you, baby, like a night sky in July, 'cause you never.
It appears that there isn't any snow outside. We were hoping for the snow to melt after the last snowfall, but now we want it back.
All my life, and I knew, tell me your name.
To make it easier for me to cut through Jaggery, I like to microwave it for about 20 to 30 seconds. We use it a lot during the winter, so I like to cut it up into tiny pieces and then store it. These days, Jaggery is used instead of sugar by everyone I hear. It is said that white foods such as sugar, flour and salt are unhealthy.
Leave me dry.
Does it make any difference? I'm not certain. So long as I can have this tasty treat during the chilly winter months, I'm happy.
Cause you never leave me dry.
Even though it was chilly, the day was quite lovely and light would occasionally enter the house.
All my life.
Yesterday I had visited the grocery store and needed to restock on a few items. I like it when they are at hand's reach in pretty containers. White flour or maida is easily available over here, but for whole wheat flour, I like to grab the bigger packets from Indian store. Our breakfast usually consists of recipes like sabudana khichdi, poha, or sometimes even things made with semolina. During the winter, it has become a routine to have oranges or another fruit at some point during the day. Oranges at this time of the year are particularly delicious.
So why didn't you call? So many years has gone by.
I had seen a DIY candle somewhere online and decided to give it a try.
Looks like you're changing and all.
I have to peel the orange in this manner in order to locate the pith that will be used later. I kind of blew it on my first attempt. However, I managed to peel correctly the second time. After that, simply add any type of carrier oil and then you can light it up. To be on the safer side, I doubled the layers.
Can you feel me? Can you feel me? Can you feel me?
The majority of today's recipes are really simple to prepare and call for very few ingredients. It is imperative to have cauliflower throughout this season. I prefer to give them a long soak in hot water.
Watching out for number one.
We will just add 2 ingredients and let the recipe cook in its own flavors.
Baby, it's yesterday and not tomorrow.
The end result is usually whitish only, so we don't add turmeric in this one. Cover and cook to incorporate all the flavors.
Brightness looks big. Where you're going, truth cannot be hid.
Healthy eating, in my opinion, doesn't always require exotic ingredients or meals that we don't typically make and eat. In my perspective, it's quite the opposite. For me, relying on traditional recipes that have been thoughtfully crafted to offer a variety of nutrients is healthy eating.
Be hardworking so you can.
For instance, Raita, which is essentially yogurt, fulfills our requirement for probiotic and is good for our gut. Similarly, turmeric is a powerhouse of antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties.
Give a lot and live a little. Work with what you got. Where you're going, you can rest your head.
This recipe calls for the same 2 ingredients as the previous one, but this time we'll be adding some powdered spices that you can see being displayed on the screen. This one is slightly sweet and slightly tangy, which is why we usually add both sugar and mango powder.
I keep hoping that I'll change. Yes, I believe I'll be the same. And I'll keep myself from feeling the pictures that I paint, but I'll keep on losing it till I've lost the only thoughts that keep me sane.
I'm going to pair these recipes with Methi Paratha and use dry kasuri methi instead of a fresh one this time. Lovely addition of ajwain or carom seeds along with a few powdered spices will make these extra delicious.
Yes, I've been wasting them for years, and I do my best to block the thoughts and hope they disappear, but I keep on losing it. Oh, I keep on losing it. I think that I need to rearrange things. Say something that will make my day. 'cause these memories of her won't go away. They're haunting me so I can't sleep. She was a pretty little liar who cut me deep, 'cause she left me here alone. Now my bed feels just like cobblestone. Oh, why did she go? Oh, was I supposed to know that she'd leave? Was I the naive to think that she'd be?
Shortcuts are my best friend on cold chilly days. This raita recipe is just the same. Mash the pumpkin dish that we made earlier and add that to yogurt. You'll have a delicious raita in no time if you mix everything thoroughly and adjust the salt as needed.
And it was her and I. She promised me to never leave my side, but she left me here alone. I know it's dumb, I still check my phone 'cause I can't move on. Whoa. Why did she go? Whoa. Was I supposed to know that she'd leave? Was I too naive to think that she'd be?
My go-to trick to clean the air fryer is to preheat it for a couple of minutes, so that sort of melts all the oil stuck on the sides. Now all one's left to do is wipe it down. The best thing about a change in seasons is that it means there are new things to look forward to, starting with recipes that make use of winter vegetables and continuing with perhaps some additional winter-specific activities. Growing up, I recall that my mom would often have us sit in the sun and help her make winter pickle. Looking forward to the new year and making plans for it, improving our routines, setting goals and maybe even reflecting on this year to find areas of growth are all things that winter is all about.
Tonight will turn minutes into days, and nothing's gonna make.
My earrings used to get all lost in the pouch they were in earlier. So now I found these cute transparent bags to keep them neatly.
Lover or friend, real or pretend, however we end, tonight will turn minutes into days.
This was a day in my life making recipes for loved ones, organizing the home, and also enjoying a quick DIY. Hope you had fun too. Until next time, here's Home Gupshup signing off.